Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very spring themed video for you. I'm going to be sharing what the Easter Bunny brought my kids for their Easter baskets, what I got my kids for Easter, and basically I'm just going to share everything that's in my kids' Easter basket, so it's really exciting. I love these videos and I wanted to get this up right before Easter just to give you guys some last minute ideas and just to share as a memory what my kids got for Easter this year. I love watching any of these kind of videos. They're just really fun to me. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Also, if you're new, hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Veronica and I am a mommy of 2 little ones. My son Mason is 4 and my daughter Presley is 1, and they're just the sweetest, cutest, best little babes I could ever ask for. And I would love it if you subscribed and joined my YouTube family. I post all kinds of content, anything from lifestyle, mommy related stuff to some cooking, lots of cleaning, motivation, basically anything that I'm interested in I share with you guys. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and make sure the notification bell is on, and let's jump into the video. We're gonna start with my son Mason's basket, and like I said, he's 4 and he totally loves holidays now. He's really into everything, like he totally gets it all, and he's super excited to see what the Easter Bunny brought him. So this is his basket, and the basket and liner are both from Pottery Barn, and I did get them monogrammed. They are a little pricey, but I think they're worth it because you use these baskets for like years and they're really good quality, and I just love Pottery Barn. So there is his. You can see it, and then his little name. Super cute. Okay, so for candy, I don't really go like crazy with candy because I don't feed my kids sugar and candy and chocolate like that on a regular basis, so I don't see the point in like filling them up with it in the holidays. So we got a couple of treats, but nothing crazy. The first thing were these Black Forest organic gummy bunnies. Nice little treat, and the ingredients are not horrible. Then I got one of these Yum Earth organic sour beans. And then I got 2-pack of organic raisins. My son loves raisins, so I know he's going to be excited to see those. Then I found a couple of these in like the Target Easter basket gift aisle, I guess. I don't know what you would really call it, but these are Peppa Pig eggs, and they come with like little figurines. So I thought those would be super cute. Then I got Mason a toothbrush. This is PJ Masks, an electric toothbrush. And then from Target, I found one of these cool bento boxes, and it just has a space dinosaur on it. I thought Mace would think this is really cool, and it'll just make like snack and lunchtime fun if we're going to like the park, or a day we have gymnastics or swim. I thought this would be really great to just put their lunches in, and little snacks as well, and it's super cute, and yeah, I thought he would love it. And then I just got him this really cute Cat and Jack t-shirt. I love the colors, it's super soft, and he needs t-shirts. I just ordered him a ton of spring clothes from Zara, but it was mainly like jeans and pants, so he definitely needed shirts, and I love the Cat and Jack line. I think they're like the cutest clothes ever. Then I got him a book. This is Llama Llama Easter Egg. He loves Llama Llama, so I knew he would really enjoy that. Final thing in his basket is a Nerf Elite Disruptor. I thought this would be really fun. Surprisingly, I loved Nerf guns as a kid. I thought they were so much fun, and this comes with a bunch of the little Nerf dart things and his first very own Nerf gun, so I know he's going to be super excited about that and probably try to shoot his sister and I all the time, but I thought that would be really, really fun. That is everything in Mason's basket. Moving on to my daughter Presley's basket. Like I said, she is a year old, a little over a year. And this is her basket, also from Pottery Barn, and it does have her name monogrammed as well. So here is hers. Now for Presley, I got her this Melissa and Doug Chunky Farm puzzle. I know she's gonna love this. Her brother has a ton of puzzles. She's super into it. These pieces are awesome. She'll be able to hold them really easily and learn the animals and sounds as well. So I thought that would be really cool. Yeah, I know she's gonna love that. Next, I got her a couple of books. The first one I got, these were both from the dollar spot at Target. This is The Love in My Heart and Other Stories. Just 3 really nice stories. She is totally into being read to and sitting in her chair and reading, so I know she's really gonna love this. But this book was just super cute, so I got her that one. And then I also got 5-Minute Fairy Tales, well-known stories to read and share. Like I said, these were like $3 I think, and they come with a bunch of different fairy tales, little stories, so I know she's gonna really love that. Then I got her very first little Cabbage Patch doll. Seriously, how stinking cute. A little koala bear. I just love this little doll. The body is super soft and just looks adorable, so I know she's gonna love this. She got a little stroller for Christmas that she likes to put her other baby in, so now she has another baby, and I know she's just gonna love it. And the little baby can suck its thumb, like seriously, so cute. And Presley got a Catboy toothbrush because Catboy is her favorite PJ Masks. And then for treats, she also got a couple boxes of raisins and some Annie's organic chocolate chip cookies. So that is it for treats and stuff for their baskets. Then I also am doing an Easter egg hunt outside, and we're decorating eggs, so I will just go ahead and show you really quickly what I got for the Easter egg hunt and their Easter eggs. Okay, so for the Easter egg hunt, we are gonna have one outside here at my house, and then we'll do another one at my mom's. But for here, I got this from the Spritz line. It's just all of these really cute little signs to put in the yard for the Easter egg hunt, so I thought that those would be super fun. I got this package of eggs, and these are like the pastel colored eggs. I thought they were really cute, so I got this, and then it does come with 1 golden egg. And then I got 2 buckets. I did not realize when I ordered these off Target, like the app to go pick up, I did not realize they were this big, but that's okay. They can fit a whole bunch of eggs in here. So I got each Presley and Mace 1 of these. This pack of eggs, and then before when I went shopping the first time, I had just picked up these. So these ones I got for Mace, the greens, and then the pinks and purples for Presley, but my mom and I kind of decided that we wanted to do more eggs, so I got extras. To decorate eggs today, we got this PJ Masks egg decorating kit, and both of my kids are obsessed with PJ Masks. They love the show. They're like just super into it right now, so I know they're gonna love this. Then, so there's a small golden egg that I figured Presley could find, and then this big egg I got, and I actually filled it with some more of the Annie's organic chocolate chip cookies, so I thought that would be a fun little treat for Mason to find. So he'll find the big one, she'll find the little one, hopefully. I'll try to make it work. And then in here I just have more cookies. So that is everything that I got my kids for Easter. I'm super excited. I just, like I said, I love the holidays with kids. It's so much fun, and they're both at like the perfect ages. Presley doesn't really get it so much, but Mason definitely understands. Today we read the Easter story book that he got, and it's from Target, and I got the idea from Brianna Kay actually. I will link the book down below, but it's perfect for like the 3 and 4 age to just explain what Easter really is and how, you know, Jesus died for us and then he rose again, all of that. So we sat down as a family this morning, the 3 of us, and we read that and just talked about what Easter is, and I made sure Mason like really understood what we're celebrating, so that's awesome. And that book is perfect. Like I said, I'll link it below. I would love to know what you guys are doing for Easter. You can follow me on Instagram. I have that linked below as well, and we can chat and get to know each other on that forum as well. And yeah, so then head over to Instagram, give me a follow, and let me know what you guys are doing for Easter. We plan to get up early. We're gonna go to church and have breakfast at church, and then we'll come home and do our egg hunt, go to my mom's for a late brunch, and then do an egg hunt over there, and just spend time with family. It's going to be really great. I cannot wait. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I feel like I've been talking forever. I hope you guys have a great Easter, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.